Guys, so today we're gonna be doing some wait, hold on. Be doing some water slides. Yep, there we go. So we're gonna start. It's called Water Slide 3D. Start the game. In the hole. Ooh, it's nice. I haven't played this game before, but my brother has, so okay. Where we? Huh? Ah. Oh, now I get it. We have to move this tablet. So you won't be able to see my face because I'm playing it, but after I'm done, if I die, then you can see it. Oh, no. And I died. I think. Yeah. Retry. That was actually pretty cool. Now you have to move it with your screen. What the heck? What did I just do? Oh my gosh. God. Come on. Oh yeah. So let's go back into it. I think this is the first level now, because I don't think I started. Yeah, this is the first level. I didn't start on the first. So I'm gonna try to make it to all of these. Dude, quit chewing up like that. I almost fell off the slide that one time. If I went on this, I would be scared. It's really steep. I'm using game science. Oh no! Oh shoot! What happened? Whoa! I'm doing pretty good. Combo. Oh, I think this is the end. We end up in the pool. Yeah! Oh yeah! I just got back from Chicago anyways because it was Thanksgiving, so I had a lot, so I'm really cold. So it took like 6 hours to get there, 3 hours to be there, and to get there, 3 hours to get back, so it took like 6 hours. So let's try the next level. Oh, my brother already did all these, so Let's try and reach the snowy mountains. Hey guys? Snowy mountains. Yeah. We do. Show that one more time, I'm gonna be mad. What the heck is on my back? Get it off, get it off. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If my dad comes down, he's just gonna come down, so he's gonna talk to me, so I'm gonna answer back, so yeah. Dude! Oh! Just take it a little bit. Dude! Nothing.
What's up, my dude? What's up, my dude?
Nothing.